y'all, this is your girl Tysheen, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be reacting to your boy Rod Stewart, and the song is called Downtown Train. So yeah, let's get started.
Outside, another yellow wind has punched a hole in the nighttime mist. I climb through the window and down to the street. I'm shining like a new dime. The downtown trains are full of all them Brooklyn girls. They try so hard to break out of their little world.
He's shouting out the Brooklyn girl. Okay, I'm a Brooklyn girl. Born and raised. Okay, Rod, I like that. You're giving us a shout out in your song. And for the people who don't know, I know who Rod Stewart is. I'm just not familiar with a lot of his songs. There's only like one song I was familiar with was "If You Want My Body," something sexy. I don't know. I don't know the words to it, but I'm familiar with that song. Yeah, and that's the only song I think I'm familiar with by Rod Stewart. And one thing I like about Rod Stewart, he has a very, very unique, raspy voice that I just love.
You wave your hand and they scatter like crows. They have nothing that'll ever capture your heart. They're just thorns without the rose. Be careful out there in the dark. Oh, if I was the one you chose to be your only one, oh baby, can't you hear me now? Can't you hear me now? Will I see you tonight on the downtown train? Every night is just the same on a downtown train. I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs and your doorway. I'll walk down your street and past your gate. I stand by the light of the four-way. You watch them as they fall. Oh baby, they are having their heart attacks. They stay at the carnival, but they'll never win you back. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Every night.
Let me tell you something. One thing about taking these trains here in New York, you gotta be careful how people stare at you. Because if someone's staring at me like that on the train, I would think you creepy. Like, you gotta be careful though. You gotta be careful. It's sad that we have to think that way, but it's true. You gotta be careful.
Every night is just the same. You leave me lonely. Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train. on a downtown train. dreams fall like rain on a downtown train.
I don't know no train that open, the back is open like that. But that was your boy Rod Stewart, Downtown Train. I love that song. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna tell you something. Rod Stewart just have that beautiful raspy voice that I just love. Okay, I must have said that like a million times, but his voice is just unique and it's different. Like once you hear his voice in the radio, you automatically know who he is. You automatically, you know. It could be a song that you might not even, you're not familiar with, but once you hear his voice, you're like, all right, that's Rod. That's Rod. But yeah, so thank you. I forgot, what was your name? I be trying to like, you know, like write down people's name of requests of songs and just put it, you know, give y'all a shout out. It's hard. I get so many comments every day, so it's kind of hard, y'all. It's very hard. You know, I'm working, not just doing this, but I'm working at my job and then coming home, then I have to edit videos, and it's a lot of work. So I could never like write down everybody's name and, you know, write the requests. So I used to do that in the beginning, but now it's like I get lots of comments every single day, every minute, every second. So yeah, so bear with me, y'all, bear with me. So yeah, so give the video a thumbs up if you're a big fan of Rod and you're wanting me to rap more of his songs. I'll definitely will do so. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The description bar is down there, down the bottom. Go down there. Yeah, subscribe. Go down there. I'll wait. Oh, you subscribe? I'll see you lovely people. Y'all take care of yourself out there. Bye and peace. Tonight.